In today's lesson, I'm going to do factorizing expressions with 4 terms. So the first question I'm doing is bx plus cx plus by plus cy. So in this case, you have to do the method of grouping. So sometime you don't have to rearrange any terms and sometime you might have to. So in this case, if we group first and second and third and fourth, we don't have to do anything. So we can see here x is common from first 2 terms and y is common from third and fourth. So we can write this as x b plus c, and then you have y b plus c again. Now from these ones you have b plus c common, so you will get here x plus y. So in this case, it's better. There's like you can see here am and an, so you will have to rearrange this. So am minus an, and then make sure that you are using alphabetical order. If you can write negative bn plus bm, but then you will have to take negative common, so it's better to use alphabetical order here. Now here you can see a is common, and in this one b is common, so you get m minus n plus b m minus n. Now from this one your m minus n is common, so you will get a plus b. Now here in this case, let's see, we need to rearrange. Yeah, so you don't have to, but if you want to avoid these two negative, then you can rearrange this one 3ds, and then you can have r minus s. So in this case, you can see here 3 is common, d is common, so you get 3d and r minus s. But in this case, you will have to write r as r minus s, then times 1, so that when you take r minus s common, you have 3d plus 1. Now in this case, again, you don't have to do any rearrangement. So from x square, which is x times x, and then 5 times x, and then you have 7x, 7 times 5. So here x is common, in this case 7 is common. So x plus 5, and then you have 7x plus 5. And now from here, you can see x plus 5 is common, so you get x plus 7 in this case. So here, let's have a look if we need to rearrange anything. So it seems like we'll have to rearrange. So we'll have 3x squared minus 3x, and then you have x minus 1. Now by rearranging like this, we can see in this case, I can put bracket here times 1, and this 3, and x is common. So which means we have x minus, since we took everything common, so this is same as 3x times 1. So we got x minus 1 and x minus 1 times 1. Now this x minus 1 is common, so we get here 3x plus 1. Similarly here, let's see if we need to take anything common. I think anything, before we take anything common, rearrange, I think it's better if we rearrange this like 18x squared minus 12x, 3x minus 2, just to avoid dealing with two negative signs. Now in this case, you can see, and the hint is that you will have to get 3x minus 2 when you take anything common here. So you can see what is common here. So I can write this as 6 into 3, x into x minus 6 into 2 times x, and then this one I can write as 3x minus 2 times 1. So here you have 3 is not common, so in this case you have 6 into 3 into x, so you have 6 common and x common. So when you take 6x common, you get 3x minus 2, and here also you have 3x minus 2 into 1, and then you have 3x minus 2 common, and you get 6x plus 1 as your final answer. Now in this case, let's have a look at if we need to rearrange anything. Yeah, I think it's better because 10 and 35 is a multiple of 5. So let's rearrange. And then 4 and 14, they are even numbers. So this is 5 into 2 into x squared. This is 5 into 7 into x. And then you have 2 times x minus 2 times 7. So here 5 is common, x is common, and here you have x also common. So 5x, and you get 2x minus 7. In this case, you will take, so 2 into, I forgot to write 2 into 2. So 2 is common here. So you get 2x minus 7. And then from here, you have 2x minus 7 common. So you get 5x plus 2. Now here, this is quite a different factorization. In this question, as you can see, this one is a perfect square factorization with x minus 1 whole square. And now in this case, again, you will have to use, so you use the perfect square factorization first. And then you have to use a difference of squares. So in this question, we are using 2. Now here, your x is x minus 1 and a is a. So according to the formula, this is a plus x plus a and then x minus a. So x minus 1 plus a, and then you have x minus 1 minus a. So that's your final answer in this case. Now here, first before you do, you have to do the grouping. In the first one, it's x plus a, x minus a. And then you can write this as x plus 1 into 1. And now from here, x plus a is common. And then you get x minus a plus 1. Now similarly here, you will see the first one is the difference of square, which is b. No, you can't do like that, because if you do b plus x, b minus x, and then taking negative common, this is not going to help you. So what you need to do here is, this one is actually is a very tricky question. So I'm going to rewrite the equation here. So if you look expression here, so if you look at this is a perfect square trinomial if I take negative common. So x squared plus 4x plus 4. This is 2 square. So a is 2. So you get b square minus x plus 2 whole square. Now you will use these difference of squares. So in this case, b plus x plus 2, and then you have b minus, and then there is another bracket here, x plus 2. So when you open it, b plus x plus 2 will remain same, b minus x minus 2. So be careful here because you have negative outside. So when you open the bracket, it will change the signs in this case. So similarly, this one, you take negative common from here. So x square minus 6x plus 9. This is 3 square. So you get c square minus x minus 3 whole square. And now, so this is using perfect square trinomial. And now you have to use difference of square, which again is c plus x minus 3. And then you have c minus, I'm going to use another bracket here. You must be writing all the steps to avoid any calculation error. So minus x plus 3. This one is, you have, I'm going to rewrite this equation, minus y squared plus y minus x. So maybe I need to rearrange this, or you can do without rearranging too. So I can group like this. So this is x minus y, x plus y. And then you have, here you have y minus x, but I need this to be x minus y. So I'm going to take negative common, x minus y times 1. And then you can, from here, x minus y is common. So you will get x plus y minus 1. Okay, this one is, you have a square plus 2ab plus a square minus 4b square. Now again, you need to group first and second term and third and fourth. So here you have a common, a plus 2b. And this one is again difference of square, a plus 2b, a minus 2b. Now from here, you can see a plus 2b is common. So you get here a plus a minus 2b. So this is equal to a plus 2b. Collecting like terms is 2a minus 2b. Now 2 is common. So you will take 2 out, a plus 2b and a minus b here. In this case, the first 3 terms is a perfect square trinomial of x plus 2 whole square minus m square. And now you will use the formula a plus b and then a minus b. So this is your final answer. You can't factorize it. You can't collect any like terms here. There is no like terms here. Okay, now this one again, the first 3 terms is a perfect square trinomial or factorization. This is the formula here. And now you will use difference of square. So this is like a square minus b square or x square minus a square, however you want to say it. So this is equal to x plus a plus b. And this is x plus a minus b. Again, you can't further simplify this. And this one in this case is, this one is perfect square, sorry, difference of squares. So this is x plus y, x minus y. And from here, you can see negative 3 is going to be common. So you get x plus y. And now from these two terms, your x plus y is common, and you get x minus y minus 3. You can't simplify it further. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.